Hello, and welcome to this special shadowing session. Today, we are going to practice with some of the most powerful and inspiring moments from the 2026 Academy Awards. Shadowing is not just about repeating words, it's about capturing the emotion, the rhythm, and the confidence of the speaker. In this session, we will explore three different styles: the witty humor of host Conan O'Brien, the heartfelt gratitude of Best Actor Michael B. Jordan, and the poetic reflection of Best Actress Jessie Buckley. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. Let's begin. First, let's shadow a segment from Conan O'Brien's opening monologue. Notice his use of pauses for comedic effect. Thank you very much. Big thanks to Amy Madigan for the wig. Thank you so much, Amy. Thank you for that. Hey, I am Conan O'Brien, and I'm honored to be the last human host of the Academy Award. Yes, next year it's going to be a Waymo in a tux, so check that out. No, it's great to be back hosting the Oscars. Last year when I hosted, Los Angeles was on fire, but this year everything's going great. Security is extremely tight tonight, I just got to mention that. Tonight is an international event. If I can be serious for just a moment, everyone watching right now around the world is all too aware that these are very chaotic, frightening times. It's at moments like these that I believe that the Oscars are particularly resonant. We pay tribute tonight not just to film, but to the ideals of global artistry, collaboration, patience, resilience, and that rarest of qualities today, optimism. So let us please celebrate, not because we think all is well, but because we work and hope for better in the days ahead. Now let's move to Michael B. Jordan's emotional acceptance speech for Best Actor. Listen for the way he emphasizes names and expresses deep gratitude. God is good. God is good. Yo, mama, what's up? My mama and my father's here. Hey, Pops, where you at? My dad came in from Ghana. My brother and sister's here. My family. I want to thank Warner Brothers. I want to thank Mike and Pam for believing in this dream, this vision of Ryan Coogler, and betting on a culture and betting on original ideas and original artistry. You're an amazing, amazing person. I am so honored to call you a collaborator and a friend. You gave me an opportunity and space for me to be seen. I love you too, bro. Love you to death. I stand here because of the people that came before me: Sidney Poitier, Denzel Washington, Halle Berry, Jamie Foxx, Forrest Whitaker, Will Smith. And to be amongst those giants, amongst those greats, amongst my ancestors, amongst my guys. I know you guys want me to do well, and I want to do that because you guys bet on me. So thank you for keeping betting on me, and I'm going to keep stepping up, and I'm going to keep being the best version of myself that I can be. Finally, we shadow Jessie Buckley, who won Best Actress for her role in Hamnet. Her speech was a tribute to the beautiful chaos of life. This is really something. I am so overwhelmed. I want to dedicate this award to the beautiful chaos of a life lived fully, to the mothers, to the creators, to those who find beauty in the woods and the wild, to my director, to my fellow actors. Thank you for holding the space for me to be messy, to be human, and to be Agnes. This story belongs to every woman who has ever had to find her own way through the dark. And to my own mother, happy Mother's Day. Thank you for giving me the wings to fly and the roots to always come home. This is for you and for every person who believes that stories can change the world. Thank you. Thank you so much. Well done. You have just shadowed some of the most significant voices of 2026. Remember, consistency is key. Feel free to replay this session and focus on a different speaker each time. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep finding your own voice. Until next time.